guys, welcome to Health Profile. This is Kratika. Just 2 ingredients to whiten your teeth in 2 minutes. Poor oral hygiene, unhealthy food habits, certain illness and medication are the causes of yellow teeth, while both smoking and chewing tobacco strips the enamel layer. This natural home remedy can be used to whiten teeth quickly. For this remedy, we need 1 Eno sachet and half lemon. Lemon is a great source of vitamin C that lightens the teeth. Eno acts as a bleaching agent that clears the yellow discoloration. Let's see the preparation of this amazing remedy. Firstly, take an empty bowl and add half teaspoon of Eno powder. Now add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to it and mix well. Finally, apply this mixture to your teeth and brush for 3 to 5 minutes. Apply this home remedy twice in a week and make your teeth white permanently. For any queries and suggestions, feel free to comment in the below comment box. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. To get latest updates and notification, click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Can you define what is colorectal cancer?
So colorectal cancers are cancers occurring in the portion of the large bowel which we call as colon and rectum. So the large bowel is divided into 2 parts, colon and rectum. The colon is around 4 to 5 feet in length, and rectum is around 15 inches in length. So we usually categorize both of them together, but the treatment and the workup depends on the it is in the colon or in the rectum.
What are the causes of?
Most important cause of colorectal cancers is age. Age is the most important risk factor. So as we grow older, so our risk of having colon cancer or rectal cancer increases.